Vandegrum students, today in Excel we are going to learn how to create a bill and how to find the total. You have seen in all the shops there is computer, even in bank. So what they are doing with the computer? So first of all, let us create a bill. Imagine that you are going to a shop, you are buying some soap. So first thing here you will be giving the serial number 1, 2, 3. You have to mention any 10 items. So you can type like stationery items or grocery shop items, soap, paste, like that you have to type first. Now you can see I have typed and I have to drag this little bit. Yes, now I have even colored also. I have given color for this tabular column. Now you have to type the total. That is your choice. How much ever, just approximately 50 rupees. Fruits will be more, 120 rupees. So like this you have to type the cost. Now I have typed the cost also. So here you have to mention as cost. So these are all cost. Now I have to find the total. You know addition, right? But let us see how this computer is doing very fast. But we can find the total only in Excel. We cannot do in Word. So how to do? Listen carefully. First of all, you are going to add all these. So what you have to do? Select all these and select this extra box also, because you want the total here. So you have to select this also. After selecting, go to this formulas. Okay, click on formulas, click on this auto sum. Okay, when you click, see there will be so many formulas, but we want only sum means what, you know, right? Addition. So click on sum. So go to formulas, auto sum, click on sum. Can you see what is the total cost? 1265. Within seconds it will give the total. That's why everywhere they are using system to find the total in all the shops. But if you are dragging or if you are leaving one table also, what will happen? It will go wrong. So you have to check carefully. So what you have to do? You have to create a bill. Okay, you have to create two bills. One is grocery items and one more is stationery items. So and you have to suppose 8 items or 10 items and type the cost and find the total using this formula. How to go to formula, click on auto sum and click on sum. But you have to drag very carefully, drag all the number and one box, empty box also. Then you have to send the picture to me.